In a diagram, this is the diagram. There and this is in a diagram, and this side, this diagram side, all side is similar, and this angle is 90 degree and this angle is 40 degree. So find out this angle. What is the angle value? First, this triangle, the all side is similar, so we can write this, the all angle are similar, and so we know the total triangle value is 80 degree and all is triangle is similar, so divide the 3, so that's 60 degree. So all angle is 60 degree. We find out. And now this angle is 60 degree and this straight line, the total angle is 180 degree, and this is the 60 degree minus 60 degree. So this angle is 200 degree. Find out. And now this angle in a quadrilateral 4, there is the 4 angle. The total value of 4 angle is the 60. This total angle, and this is the, we find this, so this angle and this angle, so minus 90 degree plus 90 degree plus 40 degree. So there is the 50 degree, 90 degree, and 20. This is the, and so this angle value is, so we find this angle value. And now there is a straight line, so this angle value, this angle total value is 180 degree, and this is the, so this angle value is this, so this angle value is, so this angle value is 90 degree. So this angle value. So thanks for watching the video.